Good morning, folks. Steve here from Off Grid Real Life Vintage Tractors. We were going to go to church this morning, and Sal's been sick for a couple days, so we're going to skip church today. We don't want to go and make other people sick. So I've got to get these tractors up along the road. Right now there's a lot of traffic coming through. It's cold out. I'm actually not going to try the choke. Let's see what happens without the choke. No. Yeah, I should have. I'll just give it a quarter choke. That's all I'm going to give it, guys. Not bad, not bad. Now we're gonna open the gas on this one. Yeah, everybody's going to Sunday school and church early, so I want to get these up along the road, and I want to go. The sign on the church door that we're mowing. Actually, right here's water closer. Let me get some of this. And again, I'm going to check the antifreeze. I'm not real sure. You know, when you buy tractors, you have to, sometimes you got to kind of keep an eye on them. Cold out. It is cold. My breath is showing here. Yep, she's still full on antifreeze in there. Still got it in. We don't fill this one too full. I've noticed the overflow is pretty low on this large radiator. Well, I'm gonna have to use my other hand to turn that back on. He had a new cap on it, and it's pretty difficult. So let's give this one a shot.